Welcome. If you've ever wanted your phone to vibrate whenever you get a like on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on vibration for Instagram likes, so you never miss a notification again. This method is updated for 2025, so you can follow along confidently on your Android device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your main settings. This is where you'll find all the options to control how your apps behave. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device, including Instagram. Next, look for Instagram in the list. You can either scroll until you find it or use the search bar at the top to type in Instagram. Once you see it, tap on Instagram to open its settings. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you can control all the different ways Instagram can alert you, from banners to sounds and vibrations. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on this to see a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Scroll through the categories until you find Likes. Tap on Likes to open the specific settings just for notifications about your posts getting liked. Here's the important part. Look for the Vibrate option. If it's not already enabled, simply toggle it on. This will make sure your phone vibrates every time you receive a like on Instagram. And that's it. You've just set up your phone to vibrate whenever someone likes your post. This is a great way to stay instantly updated without having to constantly check your screen. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the Vibrate option back off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. See you in the next video.